COVID-19 pandemic continues to spread throughout the state, really across the country, too.
Yeah, over 6,500 new cases were reported just today. 68 more people also lost their lives. A positivity rate increased to 8.2%. Those are levels not seen since last May. Hospitalizations are the worst they've been since late April. The number of patients in the ICU is also at the highest level since June. And Governor Pritzker today urging voters to take precautions on this election night.
Kelly Davis joins us live with more. Kelly.
Hey, Ben and Lourdes, state officials say they have spent weeks leading up to Election Day preparing the polls to make them as safe as possible for voters. They say that that it's also important that people do their part. You should wear your face masks correctly and also social distance while you're in lines at the polls, as well as use hand sanitizer and wash your hands as much as possible. Common sense precautions here that they've reiterated for months now. The Illinois Emergency Management Agency delivered millions of masks and tens of thousands of face shields to local election officials. We've seen a solid turnout today, but the state was pleased to report vote by mail is hitting record highs. Governor Pritzker is reminding people the COVID-19 pandemic is far from over. Today, health officials reported another 6,516 cases of COVID-19, including 68 deaths. Every region in the state of Illinois has exceeded the criteria for tightened mitigations. Health officials say they are very concerned about election night parties in particular, and people defying state guidelines. If these guidelines are not enforced tonight, we could feel the effects weeks from now.
The fact is that local officials who are not doing the right thing are the ones who are going to be responsible for the rates of infection going through the roof and our hospitals getting overrun and people are dying if they don't enforce the rules. That is why those rules exist. We didn't make them up.
If you're on your way out to vote, health officials are encouraging people to know who you're voting for before you head into the polling place. That way you can get in and out as quickly as possible. Reporting live, I'm Kelly Davis, WGN News.